First off, remove any old nail polish with acetone. Then apply a clear base coat. And paint the tips of your nails to help the manicure last longer. Next, put liquid latex around your nails. Let it dry completely. Now, paint all of your nails light blue and paint the tips. On a small sponge, put a stripe of light blue and a stripe of dark blue. Then dab it onto your nails. Refill the sponge and keep dabbing on more coats. For this nail art design, you don't want the gradient to be completely centered. You want the gradient to be closer to the cuticle so that it still has room for the sand and white foam at your nail tips. Next, paint the tips with a tan sand color. Turn the sponge from earlier around. Put some white polish on one of the small corners. Then dab it between the tan and light blue. This is creating the ocean foam on the shore. Now you can remove your liquid latex, and you don't even have to wait for the polish to be dry. After the liquid latex is removed, you will need to wait until it's completely dry. Lastly, apply a clear top coat to add a glossy finish and seal in your manicure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.